To display grid lines on your camera on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Camera app and then tap the settings icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under General section, tap the gray on off switch next to grid lines until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key. As you can see, now your phone displays grid line on the viewfinder. Showing grid lines on your camera can be helpful for some conditions, such as when you want to follow the rule of third, leveling the horizon, aligning subject symmetrically, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.